The Center for Product and Process Development is part of the Zurich University of Applied Science and has its focus on gear development and research. The top-equipped workshop is next to the engineering department and allows us to manufacture our gears by additive manufacturing or conventionally. This enables us to develop new and innovative gear components. We run and build test benches for research and industrial projects. One of them is the plastic gear test bench with nitrogen cooling for tooth-root temperatures from -40 to 120 degrees Celsius. Here we perform gear tests according to VDI 2736 and generate material data for all types of plastics. For metal gears, we run a hydraulic clamp test bench with a center distance of 91.5 mm and hollow shafts for internally lubricated and cooled gears. On this one, we test the failure modes, pitting, scuffing and wear, whereby tooth-root load carrying capacity is tested on the pulsator test rig. The scanning, atomic force and 3D microscopy supported by X-ray spectroscopy allows us to assess the surface and material qualities. We verify the test results from the running tests together with reference samples on our own tensile testing machines. We perform quality inspection tactilely and optically with precise classical and CNC measuring equipment. Just get in touch. The ZPP does gear research and development, including manufacturing, testing and measuring for metal and plastic gears.